It's my birthday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy 30th to me.
Told you bad man don't dance. Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a weapon, my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a weapon, my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a weapon, my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a weapon, my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with a weapon, my hip I dance. Bad man take another sip and dance. Who told you bad man don't dance? Who told you gangsters don't dance? Even with
Hey y'all, good morning, and welcome back to my vlog. It is my birthday weekend. It is Aquarius season. My birthday is January 27th, so it's on Saturday. I'm traveling for my vlog, so I'm at the airport. I'm so excited it's gonna be a mini girls trip because it's just me and my bestie. But yes, I want to bring you guys along, and I will be showing you along the way, outfits of the day, and all that good fun stuff. So we'll see you at my destination. Okay, y'all, so I had a layover and I'm in Atlanta right now. And so I'm going to be working on a vlog to post. I think that I'm going to work on this vlog that I'm working on right now, post that, and then my birthday vlog, it will come before all the other vlog content I have. Girl, I got so much vlog content that I just need to go ahead and get it up. But life been lifing. I haven't had time to edit, but I'm making it a thing for me to edit on my free time during this layover and then make my birthday vlog a priority.
We made it! Finally, we're ready.
My girl finally made it.
We're ready.
Oh wow, y'all, look at the resort that we're in. So beautiful. I'm going to give y'all a full tour when I get the chance to, but we're going to check in.
Hello! It's the girls. As soon as we walked in, got our drinks because what else?
Okay, y'all, so here is a view of the room. Our wristband lets us in. That's so cool, isn't it? Okay, let's check out the bedroom first. Double bed. They only have double bed and king bed, so we got double bed. We was like, can we get queen? They're like, one king or double. Okay, nice little TV. We're not gonna be watching no TV. Mini bar with snacks, mini bar with alcohol. Girl, it's so cute, and it's so like, I'll say.
Oh, sorry.
It's so cute, and it's so like modern.
Yes.
Nice mirror right here. And girl, I'll have to show y'all this in the morning because the view is so freaking good. It's so freaking good. Look at this. I mean, it's just this aesthetic. Our pictures are gonna be fire. But tomorrow morning, I'm going to show y'all this shit in the morning. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this water, the ocean. I don't even think we saw this last time. The ocean. It is so beautiful. So let me show you guys the bathroom. Okay. So y'all, I haven't just take the bathroom out, so this is our first time looking at the bathroom. Hey, happy 30th. Okay. Toilet area, which looks clean, just like I like it. Oh yeah, this is cool. This is nice. Nice. Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's a good shower. And they got the shower head too. Yes, this is good. I'm loving it. We are at our first dinner of the vacation, and we have fresh guacamole. Look at it. I'm so excited to taste. Yum. We have a feast coming, and I have a mango drink, and it's really good. Awusi has a, what is it?
Tamarind.
A tamarind drink. And
I
haven't tried it, but I'm going to taste it.
It's like sour and sweet.
We have the catch of the day with rice, and then we also have a braised lamb with cheese quesadilla. So we're splitting this, but taste testing tonight. So yes, this is first night. We're gonna find somewhere else to go. Stay tuned.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baptista. Happy birthday to you. Actually, the current cake.
That's
The current cake.
Okay.
If you want to try.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy it, ladies. Okay.
I'm gonna try it all. Girl, we just took our first shot of the trip. Baby, when I say he filled this up, he filled this up. It probably was some type of anejo, baby. He was like, you turning 30? Bad. Period. We're up early getting started with the day. We're getting ready to go work out, and then we're going to catch this sunrise. So come on, let's go. Let's see what today is going to bring us. All right, y'all, we've made it to the gym. So many different workout materials or equipment. People in there up early like we are. I love to see it. I love to see it. Ooh, they have different weight rooms. Yes. The spin class. A yoga class. We probably do yoga tomorrow. It's beautiful, calming water fountain.
I was in a club before she even had it. She was 21. I don't see a savage. She wanna be the one. She know it come static. She wanna hold a gun. If you want it, you can have it. Shorty still young, so she don't know the classes. I see her body 101. Yeah. I see her body 101. Get to the crib, make it come. Pussy sweet car, you my honey bun. I know your nigga was a bum. Fuck on the Cody, had some fun. Girl, I'm the king of my city, I'm the one. Swear you can have me, you really wanna win. How you so nasty, you really wanna win? How you so flashy, you really wanna win? Out of my own, you still wanna win. I wanna be on that pussy to the sun. Come up. Before the nigga I see is my son. So what? Yeah, I was in a club, but I was in a cut. Had liquor in my cup.
Here is our beautiful sunrise. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. It's just, the camera can't even do its justice. Wow, y'all, it's beautiful. Right? Good morning, friends, from me and the sunrise. Hey guys, good morning. So we finished our workout and now we're having breakfast. We're having breakfast outside across from the water, and it was so beautiful. Let me show you. This is our view for breakfast. It's so beautiful and calming. It's a little chilly though. I'm not gonna act like it ain't. but it feels great out. And here's my breakfast. I have an omelet with some meat and hash browns. We're waiting on our fruit. And what do you have? Shakshuka. And she had a grain juice. If y'all haven't met my girl already, this is my friend, my bestie. I'll say girl. Woosie.
Yeah, to y'all.
Woosie, y'all.
Your voice in the background. I'll do something. No juice? No juice.
You can keep it up if you want to, but if you want to mute it.
No, I will keep, I will
okay.
keep it because it's cute. I'm just trying to decide what filter I want to put.
I need another potato. Not that.
Just a potato?
Just a potato.
That's so funny. I just want my food. I gotta eat my food first. My stomach is gonna be all over the place.
Yeah, this stomach.
The soup is the fastest. The omelet looks really good, so I might do that tomorrow.
It is good.
Flag him down.
I'm be trying to test it to see if it's gonna make my stomach hurt. I haven't had a piece of bacon like this in so long. So, excuse me. Hi. Can you help us? I can't remember if it was you who was helping us or not. What is it that we need?
We get some fruit.
Oh, yes.
Fruit plate?
Yes.
And you can do 2, and also, can I order more potatoes? Hash browns?
Hash browns?
Yes. Alright, y'all. So, I almost forgot, but Lucy been getting on me. She's like, vlog, girl. So, we are getting ready to go to this hip-hop boat party. So we're gonna have a good time. But I hope we got good music, y'all. It is so beautiful. Hi. We are getting ready for a good time. Lucy. My girl.
I was like trying to not step off the dock,
right,
and go in the water. I will.
Please don't. Okay, y'all. So we made it on the road, and I forgot how scared I am of boats because I'm not with this Rocky. Like, that'll be cool. I ain't gonna make a scene, but I got her, y'all. She'll be fine. Like, why are we rocking? The waves, like, even get it on. Even get on. Listen, it's like a little jump. It's a jump that they do from the dock to the boat. We made it though, so get some drinks and just have a good time. Hey, what is going on, my friends? So the last time I talked to you guys, I don't know if it was leaving the boat or at the boat or if it was lunch.
Before the boat.
It's been a minute, but we were on the boat. We had a quick lunch after the boat and rested, showered, get dressed, and like now we're getting ready to go to dinner. So we just finished getting dressed, and let's talk about the outfit of the day. 1 second. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. I know you have to see half and half, but you're gonna have to work with this. So I'm wearing a, girl, I have to tell you about this Forever 21 haul I went on, but this top is from Forever 21. It's actually like probably a bikini cover, but I made it a top. You have to improvise. A bikini underneath. I have on cargos also from Forever 21, and I have on some Aliza May heels. We have to show, I'll show you in a second. But yes, this is the outfit of the evening. Yes. Hey y'all, so we had a change of plans today. I had plans to go to a Japanese restaurant at our resort, but the resort was packed. I guess they're open between 6 and 10, so it's super popular and it's super busy. So we went off resort for dinner. We had a Japanese restaurant. We're just gonna have food here. We had sponsors being walked in, like they had some type of celebration. I don't know what it was called, but we celebrated. And now we're just getting food. Sushi. It's sushi. So excited. Hungry. So yes, we got drinks. Cheers. I have a mocktail. I was like, I'm not feeling like alcohol right now.
Like, lots of mocktails. Y'all know?
She doesn't.
The guy, the waiter thought that it was my birthday. Because I was like, yeah, with alcohol, please.
I'm like, I don't want none. It's not right now. So, I do want to try. I saw Karuchi. Karuchi was talking about, for January, her and her friends were doing a dry month. And I hear people talk about that sometimes, but like, I never really tried it, took it serious. So it's been in the back of my mind that maybe I just want to kind of step away from the poison. Like, it's fun poison, right? But it's still not good for our bodies. And I kind of want to take a break from it. So
After 30.
she said after 30, after the celebration. So we probably taking shots like when it's 12 for my birthday and stuff like that. But I'm taking it easy on alcohol. I love it. Thank you. How was it? She's thinking. She's like, yes, it's okay. It's good. All right. It's my birthday, ladies and gentlemen. Happy 30th to me. wow. I just really can't believe that I'm 30 years old. Like, that's a beautiful thing. I'm very, very, very grateful of who I have become. And every day I think about every different era of me, because it's been different eras of me. But she all embodies them all. I embody them all. But 30 years old, I just like, no, I'm just a grown woman. So I'm excited for what's to come. I'm just excited for life. I'm grateful for another opportunity for real. And thank you, God, and happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, princess.